So in conjunction with Fairfax 275th, we've dug at Colchester, the town of Colchester, which is celebrating its 264th anniversary. And we've been digging there for about 7 years. And we've discovered features of different stone foundations and over thousands of artifacts that the colonial town had for the inhabitants, and also what they traded all around the world. Across the site, because it's near the Occoquan River, there's large presence of Native Americans that have lived there before the colonists showed up. So we were finding points and spear points and arrowheads, and also their ceramics that they had. So it shows an evolution of people who lived across the land of Colchester.
There was a lot of research done on the area, specifically on colonial port towns, and that Colchester would be a good place to continue archaeological research. George Mason University actually did excavations there in the 80s, and enough to know that it would be an important site to return to.
Some of the interesting artifacts that we found at Colchester have been smoking pipe bowls, smoking pipe stems that the colonists used for tobacco smoking, different types of ceramics for ceramics bowls or plates, and different types of glassware, like table glass, so like the stemware, like a wine glass, and it's actually the same style as George Mason has at Gunston Hall.
In archaeology, let's take Colchester for an example of the archaeology that we do here. At Colchester, they did the field work, and every time they find things, they bring it back to the lab. In the lab, once it gets here, it gets checked in. The larger artifacts get washed, usually by a volunteer. And then once it's washed and it's dried, it'll get cataloged by one of our staff. And cataloging is really important for keeping the data.
Colchester, along with all the other sites across Fairfax County, inform us of the history of the past. And it's really interesting and exciting to find their artifacts that they left behind.